Today is Tuesday and the 8th of February of 2022. Today's day factors. The 8th of February celebrated as Safer Internet Day. Every year in February, Safer Internet Day is observed around the world to promote the safe and positive use of digital technology by children and young people and spark a national discussion about how to use technology responsibly, respectfully, critically, and critically creatively. This year on February 8, 2022, Safer Internet Day will be observed under the theme All Fun and Games. On this day one can spread awareness of how to use the internet safely without falling into the arms of hackers and other malicious devices.